These are the two ways I create my AI twin. First is Nano Banana. I upload my image, then I input a prompt of how I want the avatar to look. You can edit clothes, hair, etc. Instruct Nano Banana to keep facial features, generate and download. Next is with the Pixora app. I go to the editor section and upload my image. Then I input my prompt to create the exact image wearing an outfit of choice. That's it. Once I click generate, the exact image will be created wearing her new outfit. You can use Nano Banana to quickly change your AI twin's outfit. Simple, upload the avatar. Next, input your prompt. Add instructions to the prompt to keep your image consistent. Say something like, using this exact woman or do not change physical features. Generate your image and download. Let me show you two ways to generate videos from images. First is by using Whisk. Upload your image, add your prompt of what you want your avatar to do. I said she is walking confidently down the street. Next, generate. For Kling AI, upload your avatar. I input what I want her to say, then generate it. That's it.
Hi, everyone. I am so happy that you joined us inside Digital Success Hub.
Creating your reels with your videos from Whisk is pretty simple. Go to Canva and select Instagram Reel. Choose a blank page, upload video and add to the page. Set as background. Next, you're going to add your text. Edit your text by changing font size, and adding your desired effects.